Hello friends, good evening. Let us see the market updates for the day. Sensex ends at 71,437.19, whereas the Nifty ends at 21,453.10. Today the market gainers are Coal India, Nestle India, NTPC, Tata Consumer and Cipla. Top 5 losers are Adani Ports, Wipro, Adani Enterprises, UPL and TCS. Come let us see the important stock updates for the day. Vedanta announced ₹11 per share interim dividend. Stock rise 7.5% exceeding 200-day moving average. Apollo Tyres 3.6% equity changed hands in block deal. Stock hit a new all-time high, gaining 7%. Devyani International entered the oil market through acquisition. Stock jumped nearly 8% on broad prospect. Sun Pharma analysts have suggested potential upside, technical indicators positive. Stock held steady despite market movement, potential watchlist pick. Paytm McCain report predicts 46% potential rally due to digital adoption. Stock will see renewed investor interest but caution advised. Muthoot Microfinance IPO. It had been subscribed 1.72 times on day 2. Strong retail participation. Potential breakout post listing. Microfinance sector in focus. IRCTC hit 23-month high due to strong holiday travel bookings. Tourism revival momentum. Potential short-term gainer was the impact. Hindustan Copper at 11-year high due to copper price surge and government support. Metal sector was in momentum. Long-term growth potential. Jyoti Labs partnered with Unilever for distribution in rural markets. The impact will be FMCG will be consolidated and potential market share gain. SBI hit record high on strong financials and government reforms. Banking sector leader and long-term investment bet for the day. Auto sector was mixed performance. Tata Motors up on JLR sales improvement. Maruti Suzuki was flat. IT, Infosys and TCS was steady. SCL Tech down on profit booking. Pharma, Sun Pharma list, Cipla was steady and Kerala Healthcare dips on profit booking. Oil and gas, ONGC and Reliance Industries gain on rise in oil prices. That's all for today. Let us see tomorrow with another market updates. Until then, take care, bye. And if you like this video, kindly subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you. And if there is any feedback, kindly comment.